Today we are at Nasi Dagang Pak Malau. We're having a breakfast and it is our last day here. As you can see behind me, it's a paddy field. Look at the view, it's very nice behind me. It's quite nice. So this is Nasi Dagang, as you can see that. This is nasi dagang. This is chicken
curry.
Chicken curry, yes. So we're having this for breakfast. It looks quite heavy, but this is Malaysia. We eat rice in the morning. This is batik cake. Dessert for breakfast. Why not? So now let's eat breakfast. Eeh. Lama nak makan nasi dagang. Kalau makan nasi kerabu senang jumpa. Nasi dagang susah. Finally finished. So please come to Nasi Dagang Pak Malau. We are at paddy field. Woo. Hello, so guess where we are? Ta-da! Look up there! Look, see? So we are at a kind of like a lighthouse. I think it's a lighthouse, so here is where lots of boats park here. It is not very hot, so I am very, very happy right now. We made it! Yeah! Pas 2 hari survey. Panik gimana?
Pergi
Photoshoot lagi?
ke kapal-kapal.
Bising. Kapal-kapal?
Lori gas. Bising.
Yes. Tengok belakang.
Kacau.
Tengok dia lalu. Oh, mana dia? Kanan. Ke kanan.
Dah.
Tengok dia lalu. Bising.
Pegang.
Kerang. We are actually at a private beach. We're not supposed to go here, but we are here. No one is here. This is a private beach. See? No one is here. Totally a private beach. Compared to Pantai Chenang, the Skull Beach or Pantai Pasir Tengkorak and Pantai Kok here near the sky cap, here is much more cleaner because it is a private beach. We're not actually supposed to go here. Yes, it's a private beach. We're not supposed to go here, but we go here. I can't even open my eyes.